Hello everyone, today we will see how to crochet pentagon ring or pentagon frame. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 50 chain crochet stitches, 50 chain crochet stitches. Now once we are done with 50 chain crochet stitches, now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. After that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, and we are going to consider this 3 chain crochet stitches as a double crochet stitch. Now in stitch number 1, stitch number 11, stitch number 21, stitch number 31 and stitch number 41, in this 5 stitches we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Okay, as now we on stitch number 1, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in stitch number 1. When we reach stitch number 11, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in stitch number 11. Same goes with 21, 31 and 41. So all these 5 stitches we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in each stitch. Then remaining stitches we are going to make only one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Only in this 1, 11, 21, 31 and 41, these 5 stitches we are going to make 5 double crochet stitches in each stitch, and rest of the stitches we are going to make one double crochet stitch in each stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with all our 5 sides of the pentagon. Now we join first double crochet stitch and last double crochet stitch with the slip stitch, and we complete our round. There we go. Now we make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the outer border. Okay, and only where we have made those group of 5 double crochet stitches, in each group we are going to make when we reach the third double crochet stitch or middle double crochet stitch of all those 5, we will make 2 extra chain crochet stitches, and then again start making one slip stitch in each single stitch from the next stitch. Okay, only wherever we have made those 5 double crochet stitches, group of 5 double crochet stitches, there in every third double crochet stitch we will make 2 extra chain crochet stitches, and then again start making one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the pentagon. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now our last step, we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch in a inner border. That's it. We just have to make one slip stitch in each single stitch in a inner border all around. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. This is a final piece. This is how a pentagon ring or pentagon frame look like. I hope so you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. You will get crochet tutorial for like all many applique shapes, crochet keychain, crochet curtain holders, coaster, doily, table center pieces, and many more are there. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.